Are you tired of sending your students multiple links that you want them to view? Do your students lose the email or post with said link? Wouldn't it be easier to have everything you want your students to use posted all on one website? Well, now you can do just that with Google Sites. Google Sites is free to use and is included in the G Suite for Education list of tools. Google Sites is a simple drag and drop web design tool for creating class websites or displaying student projects. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text, add images, embed documents from Google, introduce sharing settings, and how to publish the final product of a Google site. You can access Google Sites in two ways. First is to type in Google Sites into the web browser or to the search engine, and then click Google Sites. I like to click blank and have a fresh Google site. There's also another way to access Google Sites. If you get into your Google Drive account, click New, More, and Google Sites. That will also allow you to have Google Site access a different way. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this one. Okay, from here, you have a new Google site, and the first thing we're going to do is change the header. And you can manipulate the text box by dragging the circles on either the left or right to make it thinner or thicker. We're going to change this to sample website. Okay. Now to add text to your website, you can do that in two ways. The easiest is to click text box on the right hand side of the screen. Here. Hello viewers. I'm going to change the size and center it. There's also another way to add a text box. You just double click in the center of anywhere that's open and click here. It says text. You could also do an image, upload a file or a picture, upload something from your drive, or embed a website. But we are going to do text. There you go. There's another way. I'm going to delete that for now. Okay. Next, I'm going to add an image. I'm also going to click on the right hand side of the screen. And you can upload. You can click that button right here and it would upload an image from your desktop. But I'm going to click select. And this gives you much more options. So from here you could put the URL of the image, a Google image search. Photos are from your Google Photos. Google Drive are images from your Google Drive. But I'm going to click on Google image search and let's say classroom. And you have many options pop up. I'll click that one. And it just embeds beautifully. You can manipulate it, drag it around, recenter it. It's really easy to put it where you would like. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to embed a Google document onto your Google site. And this gives you a few different options. I would suggest from the drive. You can use embed, but it's a little bit longer process. So from the drive, you can just go grab the document that you'd like. Let's see, mine's right here. And it just loads beautifully. It looks great. One tip is if you are uploading, you need to make sure the privacy settings are changed to public, because if not, someone might not be able to view it if you haven't shared it with them. Okay. And you can access anything from your drive by clicking this. But you can also scroll down. And you could click documents and it would pull up just your Google Documents, your slides for just the slides, sheets, forms, those are great for quizzes, or a chart. Okay, so you can manipulate this any way you would like. The good thing about Google Sites is that when you click publish up here, it does not necessarily mean that it's your final draft. You may come back and edit once you have published. Publish simply means that your audience will now see the edits that you have made. So anyways, to publish your Google site, you'll need to click the blue publish. Okay, from here you need to create a name for your website, such as Miss Smith's 4th grade science class or so-and-so elementary class. Google will check and make sure the name's available, and if it is, you're good to go. Since this is a sample, I'm not going to make one. Okay. I also want to share with you the share and collaboration settings. If you would like another teacher or a student to work on the website with you, you will need to share it with them. So to do that, you need to click on Share with Others. You can do this before you publish, after you publish. Like I said, publishing doesn't mean final. And from here, you can add the person's Google account email. And then you can have the option to let them publish, change anything, or just view it. Okay. So as you can see, it's not too difficult to create your own Google site for your classroom. I enjoy creating Google sites because although it is a drag and drop website, it's easily customizable and easy to share with other Google users. My name is Kayleigh Hunter, and I hope you have enjoyed this screencast. Keep up the great work in your classrooms.